Hello everyone, just a quick video here to demonstrate my automatic reverse relay setup for my 1987 Hornby high-speed train. This uses the kit supplied by Bob Wilkins of modeltrainsounds.com. A link to his own video demonstrating the reverse relay is included in the description. The kit comprises the programmable circuit board containing the reversing relay control, 2 insulated rail joiners, a 9-volt battery pack, and 2 diodes that allow the train or tram being controlled by the system to slow down and stop at either end of the track. I have also purchased an optional adapter to allow a 9-volt DC power supply to connect to the circuit board. Also required is a train controller suitable for operating a DC model railway layout. This setup is not compatible with layouts that rely on digital command control (DCC) operation. The circuit board allows the train to operate in one direction for a programmable amount of time, before it then reverses the track polarity, allowing the train to head back in the other direction, and so the process repeats indefinitely. I have wired in an occupancy sensor to ensure that the system is only in operation when movement is detected in the vicinity.